Now introducing the official launch of my newest creation that many have been seeing results from so far. It's the Bentonite clay and turmeric facial mask. Now, let's get into some of the many benefits of this luxurious clay. This all-natural mixture minimizes and prevents breakouts, fades acne scars, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, brightens dark circles under the eyes, removes excess oil and dirt from pores, draws toxins and impurities out of the skin, and lastly, this mix is sure to leave your skin with an all-natural glow. Contact 829-6844 and experience healthier, smoother skin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am hanging with Janishka, and she is going to be demoing on my face how to use the infamous Aztec Indian Bentonite clay. Now you guys know this took the internet by storm like a few years ago, and it has also taken my country by storm. Actually, everybody is hooked on this now and has seen tremendous results with this product. But today Janishka actually brought her own formula, and it is a mixture of the bentonite clay and turmeric. And this is to actually assist with hyperpigmentation. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of hyperpigmentation myself, so I am very excited to try this mixture, as I've never mixed anything with my bentonite clay other than, you know, apple cider vinegar or water. So I am very, very interested to see how this clay is going to work. So I'm not even going to ramble. We're just going to get started. So stay tuned, guys, if you want to see how to use this formula, and do I get any instant effects on my skin? Let's see.
Okay, so our first step is going to be that I will have Ashley steam her face. We're gonna get those pores nice and open to make sure that that mask could get in there and pull those impurities out. Now, if you do not have a steamer at home, what you can do is, it's a little ghetto method, a little urban method, but that's fine, because not everybody got a steamer on their priority list. Moving along, what you could do is you could get some boiling hot water, put it in a container or your sink, put a towel over your head to make sure that none of the heat escapes, and just let the heat open those pores up, baby. Okay, so as you guys can see, Ashley nice and sweaty. So this is a perfect indication that our pores are wide open and ready to receive this good stuff. All right, so step 2 now, we are going to be mixing our clay and apple cider vinegar mixture. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend an exact amount for the clay and apple cider vinegar, just because, you know, people's face vary in size. My face kind of narrow, so some people may have rounder faces. Just eyeball it.
The bigger your face, the more you would need for you. Or some people just like to lay it on thick and heavy.
Thick and happy.
So my base is going to start off with 1 tablespoon. This is actually a measurement of half a tablespoon, so I'm going to be using 2. Now I'm going to be adding apple cider vinegar. I like to use Bragg's just because I know it's a good brand. Like, I never hear about nothing else when it comes to apple cider
Very
vinegar.
trusted brand.
Very trusted.
You know Hunt's apple cider vinegar brand, yeah. Hunt's for ketchup.
I'm going to start off by adding also 1 tablespoon of this, and based on that, I will know if I need a little bit more powder or if I need a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. It's going to bubble and fizzle a bit. Do not be alarmed. That's supposed to happen because we actually are doing science right now. So As you guys can see, I'm getting a very clumpy consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another half of tablespoon to this mixture, and hopefully we can get something a little bit more fluid. Okay, so now we have our perfect consistency. As you can see, it's like I'd say a paste. It's like a nice smooth paste. Not too thin, not too thick. Step 3, now we are going to be applying the mask to Ashley's beautiful face.
The fun part. So what kind of brush is this that you're using? Because me, who ain't got access to these like salon grade things, spa grade things, I be using my little makeup brush, a little face brush that looks like that, but it have actual hair still.
Okay, so today I am using a silicone brush. It helps with nice and easy, smooth application, so you don't have to worry about the bristles getting in your eye and all of that. All right.
Alright, so now that the mask is applied to my face, you will experience some tightness. So if it gets really, really tight, don't worry about it. That is completely normal. That is just the mask drying, and that is just the mask pulling those impurities and dirt out of your pores and cleansing that face. And trust me, you are going to look gorgeous afterwards. Now, a little tip if you're a bit hairy like me, this would be better if you were to apply it after you've already shaved your face, or like done some slight facial hairscaping, girlscaping, whatever you want to call it, something to your face, because the tighter you allow it to get, the longer you let it dry, it'll get tighter and tighter, and sometimes it can pull the hair off of your face. So if that's something you like me, I don't care. I just free waxing. But if you're not a fan of that, then either shave your face prior to, give it a few minutes before you apply the mask, because it can be a little irritating if you have sensitive skin, or you can just do it the day before, or you can just leave it. It's up to you. So now, how long do we leave this on?
Okay, so I recommend leaving it on for up to 15 minutes. Now, if you, or honestly 20 is fine too. To be honest, I've left my mask on for up to 30 minutes, 45 minutes before.
Guilty.
Now,
Guilty.
Exactly, it's a natural product, so it's not gonna harm your skin in any way if you leave it on for too long. But like I say, I would recommend 15 minutes for normal skin. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend 10 minutes. And that's just when you're just starting out. Eventually, once your skin gets used to it, you can up the time if you'd like. And also another tip with this particular mask with the turmeric in it, I will advise you that it's better to do it in the evening time after you've already came from work, etc., because the turmeric may leave a slight stain on your skin. Now, if you really want to use the mask before you go out somewhere, maybe right before you do your makeup, I would then advise you to follow up with something like a nice Dove soap to really get the staining off of your skin.
Awesome. Or you could use like your normal cleanser, because if you go in the shower, So if you're going in the shower, you could also use your regular cleanser to help and get the stain off.
Right.
Also, helpful tip, if you're lazy like me, or just come in when you get too tired when you're out and you have on a full face of makeup, this mask is an incredible makeup remover, okay? Full face of makeup be on, I put on the mask, and once it's dried and I go in the shower or I just wash my face off, makeup is off. I mean, off. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I probably shouldn't do this, but sometimes I just be like, I ain't going back in and I ain't taking off no eyeshadow, so I be putting the mask on the eye, eyeshadow gone, honestly. So that is a very quick tip if you guys are too lazy to clean off your makeup before you go in the shower or wash your face before bed after a long night. Slip on this mask, leave it on for a few minutes if you can stand to be awake, and just wash it off and your makeup is gone. So now it's been about 15 minutes and I'm about to go take this mask off. So tell me, if I'm not going in the shower like I'm not doing right now because I already bathed and fresh up before you came here, wasn't about to sit on the side of you dirty, then you about to be telling the whole, you go, I see on BN, got my big picture up, big Bahamian YouTube beauty guru does not take a shower before she does her videos. Oh my God. Then I'm ruined for life. Cancelled for life. Cancelled.
Now, Ashley, you know I'm not kind of person. Like, you know I'm not messy. I can tell you why you made to your face before I go to bed. Now, so yes, Ashley has had this mask on for about 15 minutes. Time for her to rinse it off with some warm water. And once she has rinsed it off, I would definitely advise her and anyone else out there using the mask to follow up with their regular toner and moisturizer.
Because if this face ain't moist, then honey, what you doing?
Exactly, because it can cause some dryness when it occurs. When it's tightening your face and when you wash it off, some dryness may occur. So I would definitely say continue your routine with your toner and your moisturizer.
Replenish that face, girl. Replenish that face.
Yes.
All right, so now my face is fully washed and the staining isn't even that bad, honestly.
No, it's not. Ashley could throw on a foundation and go where she gotta go. It's not even that bad.
At all. Like, honestly, all I did was, as I was taking it off, I really was caressing my face. And
right.
It came right off.
Okay. So that's a tip for you guys out there. If you really, really want to get that staining out, make sure you just gently scrub it off with your hands and
you should be good to go. So this is a very minimal staining formula. Minimal staining formula, people. You don't gotta be afraid. Buy it. All right, guys, so that is it. I now have a freshly cleansed face. Thank you so much to this bentonite and turmeric clay mixture. My skin feels absolutely amazing. Extremely smooth, extremely soft. Like, I can't stop touching it, honestly.
And honestly, your face is glowing, girl. Your face, her face is glowing.
Y'all look at me good.
Okay.
Tell your girl going out tonight barefaced. Holy man. Hold him. All right, guys, so thank you all so much for watching, and thank you to Janishka for being my lovely guest on my YouTube channel today and showing us how to work this amazing clay. You guys have to get up on this, okay? Get up on this.
Get on it.
This is everything. Like, I thought bentonite clay alone was the tea. Y'all ain't no tea until y'all sip some of this, honestly. Proof is in the pudding. So where can everybody reach you and how can they purchase this clay from you?
Okay, so you can WhatsApp me or call me. My number is 829-6844. But that's just for our Bahamian customers. Yes. So international, obviously, I wouldn't be able to. I haven't gotten to that point yet where I'm gonna
gotta hold on for a little bit.
I reached it just as yet. But yes, for our Bahamian customers, 242-829-6844 is the number. WhatsApp me, call me, and we can discuss pickup or delivery from there.
Right. There you have it, guys. Y'all have no excuse, period, not to have good skin this summer, okay? You can't be a summer savage and you looking dirty and grimy. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. It can't happen.
And another thing, it's very hot this summer, so I know a lot of you females want to go out barefaced to your beach parties, pool parties. This is the perfect thing to use right before you get out there and just glow in that sun, honey.
The worst thing in the world to do or to be is to need makeup. I'm sorry. To need makeup is just...
in
No.
this 95-degree weather, I could agree with that.
It's not happening.
So just one last minute tip. I would also recommend, if you have an acne issue, I would recommend you using it every day up until your acne begins to subside. Then I would say start to reduce your time to maybe twice a week. And then once your skin gets very accustomed to it, you can start using it once a week just to maintain your perfectly glowing skin. And yes, there is nothing wrong with using it every day. Just don't use it every day for like 2 months or so. That's just
a bit
too much. That's
too much.
too much.
So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I will talk to you all soon. Bye.